Today we will cover the topic human resource planning, job analysis and design. This is the unit 2. The concept of human resource planning. Human resource planning is the futuristic approach in which an organization plan what type of employees they require in the coming future according to the need of the organization. So the concept of the human resource planning is it is a continuous process of systematic planning. It must be a systematic manner to achieve optimum use of the organization, most value assets and quality employees. Human resource planning allows the company to plan ahead so they can maintain a steady supply of skilled employees, whatever the type of employees, what skills they required in the coming future, so the continuous supply of those employees can be done. The process is used to help companies evaluate their needs to plan ahead to meet other needs. Next is the process of human resource planning. Here is the environment, that is the external environment, and then the organizational goals and objective. Human resource planning is always done as per the objective and the goals of the company. So as per the goals of the company, the needs are forecast and the supply forecast, that how many type of employees we need, then from where we can get the supply. Next, the HR programming. Then we plan the program, then implement the HRP process, control and evaluate. On each and every step we need the control and the evaluation. Next, if the surplus employees or surplus applications we have, then restrict the hiring, reduce the hours or lay off. These are the practices that the companies done. Next is if there is the shortage in the employees, then the recruitment and the selection procedure will go on. Next is the importance of human resource planning. As we know, the HRP is very important in the organization for the purpose of production, for the purpose of attaining the organizational goals. It gives the company the right kind of workforce at the right time frame in the right figures. In striking the balance between the demands and the supply of the resources, HRP helps in optimum usage of the resources and also in reducing the labor cost. Continuously forecasting in the future helps in supervise the manpower better way, thus the pitfall can be avoided. It helps the organization for the succession planning. It compels the organization to evaluate the weakness and overcome with that. Next is job analysis. Job analysis means defining the job on the basis of job description and specification. So the job specification is the list of recommended qualities, what qualities for a person qualify for and succeed in the position. Job description is the describing the job, and job specification is describing the individual qualities, those who can fit the particular job. Job design is all about the making sure that each job has the right task and responsibility assigned. It also looks at how different jobs in a company work together. HR manager makes sure each job is set up so it can be done well, easily, and it is good fit for the person doing it. Next is the elements of the job design, that is the task, motivation, resource allocation and the reward system. Thank you.